In this video, we are going to see trip planning agentic AI using a different type of APIs. So of course, we are going to API means this is in this architecture, we are going to use RAG concept. So we are going to use LangGraph framework to develop this agentic application. So we are going to RAG and we are going to use single agentic AI. The about framework information is available in this document. Okay, then we will see. So in these applications, we are going to use traveling for get the real-time information from the search engine to get the trip details and the informations what we are needed, and the weather API we are going to use for get the detail about the weather where we are going. Then the real-time amount exchange API you are going to use to know the value of the uh, exchange amount and compare with our currency. Then this is Foursquare. We are going to see about the the location details. We are going to use this API for that. And then the places API, we are going to get the detail about the places we are going. Um, and mostly we can get our places informations, reviews on the locations, near places, near hotels, and its price structures. Everything you can get from the Google Map platform. So from this platform, we are going to get that informations. And the Google AI Studio, we get API for our LLM. Since we are using Grok for that LLM as a brain, so we are using Grok in our agentic applications. So we will see uh, the power of that agentic applications now. Here we can see the modular way of developed application using these all features. So we can see this. So here in this applications I use the UV for creating the environment, since UV is very fast and also new recently launched. So we are using UV for creating the environment to install all the dependencies and um, uh, the difference is what we needed in these applications. So here we are using create the agent workflow and agent. So here we create the agent flow structure. Here we get the user questions and we are using the invoke and the message structure we are adding here same like uh, what we defined here. Okay, so we are here we're getting all the tool informations, weather, play search, calculator, and currency converter. And then we are adding in the tool. This tool is binded with our existing LLM. Then we are using the prompt here for getting the result. So then this is the environment. So we are using the UV to make the dependency install very faster. Um, so you know this UV they recently added. So this is upcoming booming mm, uh, uh, application for workflow automation. So in agentic AI is the very hot topic now, since so we are try to use that uh, features here. So the age environment, this is the one, the exception handling we are doing here. So the login information is here, and the after one more thing is after create generate the trip informations, the we are I am adding the details as text format in this folder. Then this is the prompt what we are going to use in these applications. Here this is the list of tools we are going to use to bring the uh, content about the uh, our trip. So everything is will be here, and the currency converter details everything here. Here we are connecting the API. So we are adding here the expense calculator informations or thing here. Play search, the one we're connecting the API details here. Then this is the tools. So here we need to know about here we set up the tools, everything. You know about the restaurants near available, activities, what are the activities and near available where we are going for the trip, and transportation, what are the mode of transportation available, everything. All this information we can get using Google Map platform APIs. So this is the use of these APIs in this tool. So weather informations we are getting from here. These are the open source data. So we are using these features in our applications. So here we set up the configuration using the YAML file. So easy to we can add multiple LLM based on the LLM and API availabilities. We can use here, since Grok is free, we are using Grok API to develop these applications. So the dependency applications, everything here. So model loader. So as I said, we are adding as of now, adding Grok and OpenAI, since we are using Grok. So I pausing the Grok here. So we set up all the models uh, here. So this is dependency applications to get the real-time data from the search engine. Tablet search all the information is passed here and get the output as an answer. So this is the application. We are going to save this generated data as a document and save in this output folder. So this is weather information, so you can get using this APIs. So this in tools all are connecting in that chatbot. Then these all are we are accessed by API format. So we are creating here we are using fast API to like this. With this, when you hit from the screen, it will come here. So we call this graph builder and generate the get the data from LLM, our brain, and assess the based on the information based on the prompt. It will go to the related tools and bring the informations. So this is the graph what we are developing. So start agent, this is the LLM our brain, then it go to the related tools, bring the result and show the output. So this is the RAG concept we are using. Yeah, then ways of doing setup everything, and here the what are the dependencies we are what we are using in these applications. So streamlight, so this is the our very lightweight um, front-end interfaces. We're using the streamlight to connect with our our LLM and tools. So this is a screen interface screen. Basically, what you're doing is in the from this interface, we are accessing this API of and what we created by ourselves. These APIs are connected with all the tools and LLMs. So the result what we are getting is passed to the API. What we get, then we are getting we get instantly in the uh, screen. So and two, we need to confirm. So since we are using UV, so we need to set up that we need to enable that port. we need to application need to start it. Then after that, we need to uh, deploy application streamlit run streamlit app dot py. Okay, so is so yeah, is loaded now. See, this is the travel planner agentic application. Now we complete. So plan a trip to Saudi Arabia for 5 days. Send. So the bot is thinking now. It will go and connect all the to related tools and bring the information, pass into the LLM and get the result in proper form, proper text format. So a travel plan. So generated at 20 now at evening. Um, here 5 day trip to Saudi Arabia. So here it's give the idea for us. Arrived in so it in day-to-day activities it shows I say 5 days, right? So day one you can arrive in Riyadh, you can go to hotel four star hotel, the price night is to 350. These informations we're getting from the uh, Google Map platform. Night and Burj Rafal Hotel 300, place of attraction, National Museum Saudi Arabia, Kingdom Tower, everything, recommended restaurant, Mews Riyadh, everything is added here. So with asset safari, everything available. Then day two, Riyadh exploration, breakfast at hotel. So the Riyadh historic site, lunch, afternoon dinner. Then travel plan. Then third day, travel to Jeddah and Rich Cotton, Jeddah per night, 320, everything. Afternoon dinner information is available. So Al Nakil restaurant added here. So digital exploration, the other musing information we can see at the next day. Then departure, relax at Jeddah Cornish, and then we can leave from there. So it's offbeat itinerary. One more we added is another informations, 5 days uh, related informations we can see for extra and travel. So cost breakdown, accommodation informations, this all using we are adding the tool for the calculations, location, uh, so this trip, the exchange rate. This is the way it's calculated. So based on our currency, it will use exchange rate to convert our the amount. So this one, food, transport, outfits, itinerary, all the information. So from the weather API, we're getting the weather details. In the Riyadh, what is the weather now? Jeddah, what is the weather now? All the information is available here. So conclusions. So both of a unique experience Saudi Arabia. So we can use this plan to go to our favorite place. Plan another one. Plan a trip to Japan for 5 days. So this boat was thinking now. So now it's show the Japan 5 days plan and avoid Tokyo and related sightseeing Tokyo. Also all the informations available. So this is the um, best agentic AI applications to connect with the API using RAG concept. So when you pass the prompt based on the prompt, it's go to the related tools, get the informations, again back to the LLM and give the data in proper format for us. Okay, so hope is understanding. Thank you. So I will add the document and the code details in the and with this post. Thank you.